In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Squarespace to Facebook business page. First, a quick overview of what we're accomplishing and why it matters. Connecting your Squarespace site to your Facebook business page lets you streamline your marketing. You can share website content to Facebook more easily, keep your branding consistent, and give visitors quick ways to find and follow your business. To make this smooth, make sure you have the right access on both sides. You'll need to be able to log into your Squarespace account, and you should have admin or editor access to the Facebook page you want to connect. Let's start in Squarespace. Head to the Squarespace account dashboard and sign in if you're not already. From there, click Dashboard to see your sites. Choose the site you want to connect and click Go to Website to open that site's editor and settings area. On the left-hand navigation, click Website to focus on the site level options. Then open Settings. Inside Settings, select Website again to reveal tools specific to how your site connects externally. Next, find and open Third-Party Tools. This is where Squarespace organizes integrations and services that connect your site to other platforms. Within third-party tools, choose Connected Accounts. You may see this label more than once as you drill down. That's okay. Keep going until you're on the main Connected Accounts page. On the Connected Accounts screen, Squarespace explains what this feature does. When you connect to a social service, you can push or pull data and allow visitors to interact with you through that platform. In short, this is the right place for connecting your Facebook page. Click Connect Account. A list of services appears. You'll notice options like Instagram and Facebook. For this tutorial, we're focusing on Facebook, so choose Facebook from the list. A new window will open for Facebook authentication. Click Log into Facebook to begin. When prompted, enter your Facebook login details in the email or mobile number field and the password field, then click Login. If your organization uses a managed Meta account for business access, you can choose Login with a managed Meta account instead. And if you don't have a Facebook account yet, there's also an option to create a new one. Just be sure the account you use has the proper permissions on the Facebook page you intend to connect. After you log in, Facebook may ask you to confirm that you want to give Squarespace permission to access your page-related data. This is necessary so Squarespace can list your pages and allow publishing or pulling engagement details where supported. Approve the requested access to continue. If you manage multiple pages, Facebook may ask you to select which pages Squarespace can work with. Choose the business page you want to connect. When the authentication completes, you'll be returned to Squarespace, and you should see Facebook listed under your connected accounts. That indicates the connection is active. If you don't see it right away, give it a few seconds or refresh the page. If a pop-up blocker prevented the Facebook window from opening earlier, allow pop-ups for Squarespace and try Connect Account again. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If you manage several Facebook pages, double-check that the correct one is selected during the permission step so posts and interactions go to the right place. If you change your Facebook password later, you may need to reconnect the account in Squarespace. And if you run into authorization errors, log out of Facebook in your browser, return to Squarespace, and repeat the Connect Account flow to force a clean login. That's it. Your Squarespace site is now connected to your Facebook business page. From here, you can confidently leverage that connection to keep your brand consistent across platforms and make it easier for your audience to engage with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.